I'm here guys with a newly crowned Mr. Universe Philippines, Mr. Universe Philippines Maharlika 2026 and Mr. Universe Philippines Pearl of the Orient. So, ano ang pakiramdam na nabigyan kayo ng ganyang award ngayong gabi?
Well, sa akin po, I'm so very happy and this is unexpected kasi all the top 10 candidates, binigay nila yung best nila. Ang hirap pumili ng tatlo sa batch namin. And then, I just wanna take this opportunity to say thank you to all my supporters, especially to my beloved municipality, Parañaque City, headed by our beloved Mayor Honorable Edwin Olivares. And to my family, friends, maraming salamat po.
Okay, how about you? Ano ang pakiramdam nung ikaw na yung kinurarahan bilang Mr. Universe Philippines 2026?
Actually po, I have no words to explain what I'm feeling right now. Because at first, when I joined this, sabi ko lang, I have to pursue my advocacy, which is the from streets to the stars for the street children. Never in my mind did I think that I will get this crown. Sabi ko kung mananalo ko, it's just a bonus. But then God had a purpose for this and I'm very grateful. And actually po, no words can actually explain what I'm really feeling right. Yes, for AK. Thank you so much, AK and Isabella.
How about you? Ano ang pakiramdam mo ngayon bilang winner ka din?
Ayun, syempre nagpapasalamat po to the organization of Mr. Universe Philippines. First edition nila to so nagpapasalamat kami dahil kami yung naging pioneer. So sa akin lang, konting story lang no. Sumali ako dati unang-una 2014. So sa aming barangay yon, nanalo ako as first runner-up. And after 10 years, first runner-up ulit.
Wow, talagang...
And yung title ko is Maharlika. Super Maharlika talaga.
Oo, correct.
Very social.
So yung title nyo ngayon, will you compete internationally ba?
Ang alam po namin is siya po muna, ang ating
oo
grand
pala.
winner.
May date na ba at venue yung international pageant nyo?
The international pageant will be on August 16 po in India.
Wow, bongga. So talagang ilalaban mo ang Philippines. Re-represent mo talaga siya. So ito na lang last question. So ano ang learning lessons nyo in this kind of pageantry after winning?
Okay, after winning, what I have learned is still to be yourself po. Because being yourself, you'll never go wrong. Yun po yung natutunan ko. And always, what do you call this? Wag lumaki yung ulo. Always wear the crown, not on your head, but also put it in your heart. Yun po.
For you naman, ano ang inspiring message for those aspirants na gusto ring makamit ang tagumpay mo ngayong gabi?
Well, for all the aspirants, this is just a reminder that every success begins with a desire. Kailangan meron lang tayong strong desire and we have to be consistent. Merong ups and downs, but if you're consistent enough, then it's a success already. So just pursue it and never doubt yourself and always trust God above all.
Wow, very well said. And of course, for you, uplifting message for those non-winners tonight. Go.
To all our brothers out there. So ayan, alam ko naman na yung samahan naman namin is talagang nabuo siya as brotherhood. So close kaming lahat halos. Yung ating mga teens super makukulit. And kahit na konting story ulit, so mag-isa lang ako sa kwarto. So every time natatambay sila, syempre magugulo. Pero as kuya, sabi ko nga naman sa kanila as kuya, talagang wala akong magagawa kundi magpasensya. So yun naman, yung samahan naman namin wish namin hanggang sana tumagal.
Okay.
Ayun, yung ating samahan dito sa Mr. Universe.
Okay, heto na, promote nyo na ang inyong social media accounts para mas dumami ang inyong supporters and followers.
Oh,
Go.
thank you. Please do follow me on my TikTok account, Javin6993, on my Facebook account, Javin Kleinheinar, and in my Instagram, Javin Kleinheinar also.
Okay, again.
And thanks so much. And it's me, Justin. And if please do follow me on my TikTok account, Saj Sumang, as in S-A-J Sumang, and it's the same account name in my Facebook and my Instagram as well.
Of course, how about you?
And of course, follow me on Facebook, Mervin La Canaria. And on IG, it's Mervin La Canaria. Magkadikit po yung Mervin La Canaria. Yun lang po.
Oo nga. So again, we are proud and congratulate you. Support natin sila guys sa kanilang mga journey. Congrats!
Salamat po.
Okay.